Hello. Today we will review infrared remote control spider with light-up eyes, electronic animal toys and playsets for kids aged 6 and up. Please watch till end of this video, so we will help you to make the purchasing decision, and if this product is good or not. Few reasons good about this product. Includes 1 spider and 1 remote control. Features: moves in various directions, LED eyes to light up. Design: realistic-looking tarantula with fangs and colorful blue stripes. Easy to use. Remote control is clearly labeled, instruction sheet included. Educational. Animal toys promote interest in natural science. Recommended for kids aged 6 and up. Feature-wise rating given by buyers. Rated 3.6 for durability. Rated 4.0 for easy to use. Rated 2.7 for remote control. 460 satisfied buyers. Overall 4.3 star rated. User reviews. We carefully analyzed hundreds of reviews from buyers and selected few of critical reviews, which helps you to make your buying decision. For full review, please check the link in description. $486 satisfied buyers. Best-selling product in market. Overall 4.3 star rated. 81% buyers has 0 complaints. Our final verdict is strong buy. Please let us know your valuable thoughts about our review video in comments. Also like and subscribe. Thank you.